Hello guys, kumusta kayo guys? It's long time no dive. It's because I was admitted to the hospital guys. Dahil sa dengue, na-dengue ako. Ayan, medyo matagal tayong di nakadive. And I miss spur fishing.
Paano masabi?
So now, mag-unbox tayo ng isang diving gloves at isang dive light for videography na bigay sa atin ni Boss Albert Sotel. Boss, shout out sa inyo and God bless. Maraming salamat po. Diyos na ang bahala sa iyo. Keep safe always. So, ito yung guys, binigay sa atin ng ating solid subscriber. Thank you so much, Boss Albert Sotel. So, unbox natin. Okay guys. Wow. Ganda guys. Sheesh. Mako pa. Boss, maraming salamat. Branded. Sukat natin. Aga. Hindi na tayo matitinik ng mga danggit nito. Wow! Wow! Ang ganda. Ayan guys, Mako. Ay. Thank you so much, boss. Ito yung dive. Wow, ang ganda. Ganda guys. Sheesh. Please screw the charging port cap before use underwater. 5,200 mAh. Guys. Yan. Ito yata yung charging. Up. Ang gandang liwanag guys. Ito, pangalawa. May SOS ba guys ah? Press. Try natin sa labas guys. Tamang tama. Ito na yun guys. Liwanag. Dive light. Dive light. Dive light yatag ipadala itong kuan ba. Subscriber na ako.
Awa, talaga?
Og kuan po katong gloves. Iya man po tong wetsuit. Padala na ko gatag.
Katong pana dili to.
Dili.
Ay katong nay katong para suot nimo,
Ah.
katong gipos nimo tong una.
Mm.
Gadiin man to.
Kay locos to. Gawas ka trabaho ba? Ang liwanag. And that's all for this episode, guys. Thank you so much, and hopefully makabalik tayo ng live ulit soon as possible. And Boss Albert's Hotel, thank you so much, boss. God bless you always, as well as your family. Ingat ka palagi. And that's all. See you soon. Sheesh, I'm excited. Sheesh.